But northern counties, like from Yazoo County all the way into North Mississippi, we're looking at an ice storm warning for the same time period. Now, what we're looking at here across central Mississippi is also affecting much of the United States. We're talking about from New Mexico near Albuquerque all the way up the eastern coast of the United States into parts of Massachusetts. So thousands of miles included within this, at least 2,000 miles that is. Now, a couple spots in the country or several areas are seeing some intense snowfall in Little Rock, more than 13 inches and 8 inches in Memphis, but that's not what we're tracking here in central Mississippi. Potentially half an inch in northern places like Oxford and Clarksdale, but here we are talking about ice, and that could potentially impact much of our area here in central Mississippi even. Now, this is the worst case scenario. The road shaded areas, potential issues with, or the red shaded area, I should say, potential issues with roads and power lines are likely. And even so, we do expect at least some patchy ice across pretty much the entire area, except for our southernmost counties. Now, this is how we expect that to time out. Now, Friday evening, we are staying dry. Early morning hours, though, even pre-dawn hours of Saturday, our northernmost counties expected to see some of that freezing rain earlier in the day. Now, as we head later on, we are going to see the freezing line around central Mississippi. So pretty much anywhere between Copiah County towards Madison County, that's where the freezing line will kind of go back and forth, shifting between frozen precipitation and liquid precipitation. That's for your Saturday afternoon and even into parts of your Sunday morning. But by the time you get towards your Sunday afternoon and evening, pretty much consistent widespread freezing rain through the area, and then we finally start to dry out later on your Sunday. But we will remain below freezing even heading into your Monday. So everything that falls that's frozen on your Sunday going to stick around for the early part of the week, finally getting a little bit warmer heading into Tuesday. More First Alert weather updates coming up at 12 o'clock.